Welcome viewers at home to your program on Legacy TV Dublin. This is MC Lovely Show on Legacy TV. You are very, very welcome. Today's episode is a very, very special one for a special guest. Like I normally do, I don't let out the cat until I go for a commercial break. But I promise you it's going to be interactive, educative, and very, very informative. I'll be right back soon. Welcome back viewers at home once again to your popular show on Legacy TV, MC Lovely Show. Today I have a big giant, a man of timber and caliber. He's well known around the United Kingdom, Ireland, even all over the world. It's a man that has been around for a long while, doing great things, and right now he's coming to do something big in Dublin, and we feel at Legacy TV that we should showcase him and use the opportunity to invite you, but I will let him introduce himself as I normally do on this show. You know, when I bring in lovely guests, just lovely like my name is, I let them introduce themselves and tell us who they are. So, my brother, how are you?
I mean, you guys are playing. After the break, I'll let the cat come out of the. But you also brother, anyway, my name is Olumide Odede, the CEO of Bedu Magazine.
Olumide Odede, the CEO of Bedu Magazine.
Which people call me Olugbedu.
Olugbedu of Bedu Magazine, Bedu Global. I'll call it Bedu Global Magazine because I've seen that magazine in America, I've seen it in Nigeria, I've seen it in the United Kingdom. So whereas you want it to be, why Dublin? Well, before we go to that, can you tell us how you started with the magazine and when did you start?
I will start from then. I will start introducing myself. That when did I come into the entertainment business?
Okay.
How did I start it? Because I've been inside the media for about 35 years now.
Wow.
Because if I get my counting right, I've been in the media since I was in secondary school.
Great.
Because when I was little, I used to do my holiday job in Concord Press.
Oh.
So then I've been attached to media and do one or two things, following so many people then. And after that, start going to all my schools and then come back into it fully. But when I was in school, we used to be in entertainment forum. Used to be manager for some artists in Nigeria, and then that's when I get into entertainment. But then after that, we came into the UK, and when we get to the UK, we start pushing one or two things until one of my friends came to me and said that, bro, why don't you come out with your own magazine?
Wow.
Which I think, they were talking about 16 years or 17 years ago, which I think is going to be impossible.
Wow.
And then I said to him, no, I can't do it. And he said, no, I will help you. This is what I will do that. But in the beginning, you know, in Bible, we have Genesis.
Yes.
Our Genesis then, we write everything we wanted to, from Genesis to Revelation. But in our Genesis, we fall out. Because we write it we put it so beautiful that in the extent that as soon as we name the magazine, we will start making money.
That was your thinking?
That's what I was thinking. Then we named the magazine, we put the structure down, no ego.
No cash.
No cash. We think when we call people to come and do advert, we use the advert to start. But nobody.
Nothing was forthcoming.
Nothing was happening.
Wow.
So I learned that nothing was happening, and they see that what? I'm not going to do this with you, bro. And it just takes place.
Oh.
And then to me, I believe in one thing. Anything I put my head into, I don't know how to come out. And I said to myself,
keep going.
Let me just do this. And then we start pushing it. We bring out the first one, second one, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11.
Wow.
We go online. Everything we're supposed to have done till today. When we started, there were about 5 or 10 magazines in the UK then. But now, they're all on holiday. It's only 1 or 2 that is still.
God be the glory.
Still watching, but God be the glory that we're still alive. And then.
And kicking.
And we start making noise, suffering ourselves, traveling around the world, and pushing ourselves into big trouble.
What do you mean by big trouble?
You know, when you're doing entertainment business, it's a big trouble. Number 1, the risk.
Superhero. Celebrity.
Very big risk. You need the money.
Yeah.
You need to pay your bills.
Yeah.
And then there's some things you can do that you cannot do. There's some things that you have to put yourself up to.
Yeah.
So I call it big trouble. Because when you find
challenges.
Very big one.
Yeah.
Because when you find yourself in a plane in 1 month 3 times, and there's some joke, and there's some things happen that you do. Like when I was coming down to Ireland, as soon as I want to put my feet on the plane, one of the people working in the airport called the pilots to come out.
And you were so scared. You were like.
And they said, come on, guy, come and see something leaking down
oh
there.
my God! And
I saw everything. And the guy went there and looked at it, touched it. And we are going inside the plane. I said, yes, today. And the pilot the captain of the plane was talking to the
engineer.
And the guy said, I just need to show you. And
it depends on you.
And he now called the next one. And you know when something wants to happen, something wants to make you afraid.
Yeah.
I was sitting by the window where the thing was leaking. So I was looking at them down there. The 4th person come, 3rd person come. And I call my wife.
Serious?
And I was serious. I call my wife that, okay, there's something leaking in our plate.
But it still gives you some strength. That keeps you going. It's one of those things that for anybody that flies all the time, you expect a lot of.
I don't know what.
Unexpected.
We don't want unexpected. On the here, there's some unexpected that is good.
Well, thank God you are here.
Yeah, I make my way down here.
So we thank God that Bedu Magazine is all over the place, and we are nearly 20 years old now. But I know you spoke to me the last time that you are coming to Dublin to launch your magazine in Dublin. Why Dublin?
You see, I came about 6 months or so. I came to a party down here, and my friends down here said to me, I've been sending this to you, bring your magazine down here, you please to bring. And I said, okay, the magazine is there, let me give it to you. And I said, no, you're not giving it to us. You have to come and do your launching down here. And I said, well, we see. What kind of launch? He said, no, we have to launch it properly. And then when I spoke to Heritage and Eyo, they said to me, no worry, we'll be your backbone. And I said, Heritage, and he said to me, no worry, we are doing. You know me, I didn't know anybody in Ireland. I only know them online. And then they respond to me online, talking to me online that you go ahead. I don't want to listen to them. I'm there, but you are the one that holding response. They said, no, I should go ahead. And I talked to my wife, I said, Mama, can we do this and do that? And you know that if I didn't tell her, and I go and do that thing.
You know us women. If we give you the go ahead, you are good to go.
And she said to me, that would be a good
idea.
And I
God
said, okay, let me come down and do my final part and invite people and beg people, don't support us. I'm a very bad person, but just look that we are trying to come into your community and do something, promote you guys, promote your businesses. We've been ranting since yesterday, me and Eyo. We've been talking to all the businessmen that listen, it's not that we want your money, but we want us to work together.
Support one another, promote each other.
When we use the right hand to
rub.
Where's my right?
Yeah, that's
my
right.
And this is my left. When you use both of it to rub each other, it becomes
warm and cleaner.
So that's what I said to them. Let's do something together and let's keep on promoting what we are doing. So that's what we are doing.
Yeah, I can see few of you. I know you have the copies of the magazine here, but before we go to that, the launch of the magazine in Dublin is coming up. That is the flyer. I have them. I've been giving them to people. To viewers at home, is coming up on the 19th of May in Dulik. That's a No Boring Junction, Crown Venture, Adeoyo Hall in Dulik, No Boring Junction. I want you, my brother, to properly invite our viewers at home, because we have a lot of viewers on Legacy TV Dublin. So just say it to yourself from the horse's mouth. Again, you are now a horse. You used to be a cat.
In the beginning, she called me a cat. But this time around, Eshin and Eshin, you know Eshin, I understand that. Hey Joe, you people I'm begging you, please, on the 19th of May, No Boring Junction, please. Make your way down there.
Are they coming to pay?
No, it's free to come in. No.
Yeah, that's
and Heritage is even giving us free food.
Oh my God! God bless you.
Heritage is giving us free food, and then Idowu wife is giving us free amala.
Wow!
So we have so many things in that day, and we have artists on the nights too. We have DJ J and Bovi coming up. What else do you want from us? We just want you to come out and enjoy yourself and mark the day that you are having a good fun on that day. That's all we were trying to say.
Once again, viewers at home, that's from Olugbedu of Gbedu Magazine, Mr. Odedeyi. We're talking about the launch of Gbedu Magazine in Dublin. I tell you, I've seen the magazine. I travel a lot. You know it yourself. I've seen it in America. I've seen it everywhere. Promoting our culture and heritage. And you know us in Legacy TV Dublin, it's about our culture and heritage that we are trying to promote out there. If you don't tell your story, who will do? Nobody. And what is Gbedu Magazine doing is telling our story. We have so many positive stories. But when people go out there and tell a single story about us, and you sit down and lay back, I'm telling you, nobody will tell your story for you. This is exactly what Gbedu Magazine is doing. I'll be right back after this short break. Thank you. Welcome back, viewers at home. We are still live here in Legacy TV studio with our guest today, Gbedu Magazine, all the way from London, United Kingdom. We've been talking about the launching of Gbedu Magazine in Dublin. Gbedu Magazine is all over everywhere, in Nigeria, in London, in US, but we are doing the proper launching in Dublin so that we can get the Dublin market as well and promote our own culture and heritage here in Dublin. So the launching is coming up on the 19th of May at No Boring Junction, that is Dulik Business Park, Crown Ventures, Adeoyo Hall. We all know, so I'm still here. So we were discussing before we went on the break, maybe we can just come down a bit to speak our local language for Yoruba viewers at home, because I know a lot of people will be coming that day and they want to hear you. They want to hear you speak Yoruba. We've seen you at Olumo Rock Festival. We see you everywhere. So, ẹ jẹ́ ká wálé díẹ̀, ká sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀. Gbedu Magazine, ẹ wò oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀ ló wà níbí. Different copies and very, very glossy and of great quality. You can see from home. These are copies of the past. So many. Thank you. So that's we'll be having that magazine as well, and we'll be featuring people from Dublin and around Ireland generally. Nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni pé ṣe rí magazine yìí ó dáa púpọ̀. Ó máa wù mí kémi náà wà nínú ẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ wà nínú magazine yìí, wọ́n ní kẹ́ wá ní on the 19th May, that is next week Saturday precisely, ní Adeeyo Dulik Crown Venture, oúnjẹ ọ̀fẹ́.
Okay.
So it's on the 19th of May, oúnjẹ ọ̀fẹ́, heritage ló máa dáná fún wa. Kí Ganjola Bravo máa wà níbẹ̀, DJ J ọmọ torí ẹ̀ wà níbẹ̀, òun náà wà níbẹ̀. A máa kójó wa, a máa kórin wa. Gbogbo yín là ń retí, Olúgbẹ̀lú ti wà níbí. Gbogbo ẹ̀, àwọn àlejò pọ̀ tó ń bọ̀ láti ìlú London. Àwa ti Ireland ẹ jẹ́ ká darapọ̀. Wọ́n ní tá bá ń ṣe nǹkan tó dáa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbéra wa lárugẹ. À ń fi àsìkò yìí pè yín ń pé kẹwàá. Bí àwọn olè tẹ̀ rò pé wọ́n máa wà níbẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn, ẹ tún sọ fáwọn aráalé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí bá ṣe ti ń sọ́bọ̀ lédè òyìnbó ká tún sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ Ìgbèrú magazine tá à ń pọn kiri, àwọn kan wà tó ń ṣe wá lóore. Tó yẹ pé ọmọ gangan ní ìjìnlẹ̀bẹ̀. Àwọn bíi Mama Esther, wọ́n yẹ kí àwọn Mama Esther àwọn nílé, ó yẹ kí wọ́n wà ńbẹ̀. Wàá ṣe ń rò pé wọ́n máa wá. Bọ́ màmá ní ọdún yìí, Ọlọ́run ṣe mọ̀ pé òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ni wọ́n. Ọlọ́run fún wọn ní iṣẹ́ kan tó yẹ pé wọ́n ní kan ṣiṣẹ́ kárí ayé. So iṣẹ́ yẹn ló ń ṣe lọ́wọ́. So mo dẹ̀ ń bá pípọ̀ màmá Gbẹ̀du máa wà níbí, máa wà ok ẹ ṣàfàdúrà ràn mí lọ́wọ́. But mo guarantee pé ìyàwó mi yóò wà ńbẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ guarantee pé ẹ̀yin náà wà ńbẹ̀. Mo ti náà ń bọ̀wọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan gbogbo tó wà ní Dublin sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ń bọ̀ láti Èkó tí mi ní fẹ́ dárúkọ wọn tí mo máa jẹ́ kó jẹ́ bí surprise.
That's good.
Ṣé kò yẹ wọ́n tó máa ń support àwọn ti Dublin? Ṣé kò yẹ bọ́ ọwọ́ èèyàn kan jankan kábíyèsí Island náà ọ̀hún náà máa wà níbẹ̀. Ṣé kò yẹ a ti bá gbogbo wọn sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ pé Gbẹ̀du máa ní ìṣó máa jó lọ wọ́n yẹ sọ fún mi nìyí o wọ́n ní máa jó lọ òun ẹ̀yẹn.
Wọ́n ní wẹ̀yìn ẹ wò bó lọ́mọ ogun wẹ̀yìn ẹ wò.
Ṣọ̀rọ̀ fún àwọn ní last time wọ́n ní kẹ́nìkan máa jó lọ wá padà lẹ́yìn.
Ẹ̀rọ Ọlọ́run ní ṣe tiwa bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn tí bí ò tiẹ̀ ń ṣerú bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọn bá ní ṣe wọ́n á sọ fún yín báwọn ò ní ṣe.
Ok, ọdẹ tí ní kí n máa jó lọ sọ mo ti kó jó lọ.
Àwa nílé iṣẹ́ wa táwa bá ní kẹ́ máa jó, àwa ò ní ní kẹ́ máa jó lọ kẹ́ wẹ̀yìn kẹ́ má rí wa. Àwọn ò tiẹ̀ ní dúró sẹ́yìn, a máa dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yín báyìí. Ẹgbẹ́ yín báyìí làwa máa dúró sí. Torí náà gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nílé, ẹ mọ̀ pé bí tẹ bá ti rí MC Lovely, ẹ mọ̀ pé ní tó dáa ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn ò kí bá wọn èrà tí ò lọ́mọ nú. Tẹ bá rí iléeṣẹ́ Legacy TV, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó dáa náà ṣe lẹ̀. Èrà tí ò lọ́mọ nú nǹkan burúkú, àwọn ìṣàwùrú ìṣàpẹ́pẹ̀pẹ́ tí ò sí. Ìgbọ́n àwa nǹkan kàndùkàndù, àwọn nǹkan hẹ̀rìmọ̀. Tẹ bá ti rí àwa lóde, ibi tó dalẹ̀ ti rí wa. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ti rí wa pẹ̀lú Gbẹ̀du magazine, Ọlọ́run la fi ṣẹlẹ́rìí, nǹkan tó dáa ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe ṣe London, ló ṣe ṣe Ireland, ló ṣe Nigeria, ló ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
kò sí. Wọ́n ti lọ ṣe ṣèpàdé ní Nàìjíríà tẹ̀sán ní London tẹ̀sán wọn pẹ́ ń bọ̀ yẹn. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ní ẹtí yọ bọ́ta.
Bàbá mi ṣẹ̀mọ̀ wọ́n láti mọ̀ rí ìkóríkó máa jì. Àwa máa ń pòwe púpọ̀ ó ṣe tó tẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn àgbà omi tó pòwe. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tí mo sọ fún yín ni pé bàbá mi tó jókòó yìí ẹni yìí ẹni ẹ̀yẹ ni wọ́n. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbárùkù tì wọ́n kájọ ṣe kó dáa. Tẹ́yìn náà bá ní nǹkan tó dáa, tẹ́ bá pè wọ́n wá dìde wá jẹ yín. Ìtorí ìyẹn la fi ń ṣe gbogbo ètò tá à ń ṣe lénìí pé ẹ wá yẹ wọn sí ẹ wá pọ́n wọn lé. A máa retí yín lọ́ọ̀dì 19. Òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Mo ti fẹ́ bèrè nípa màmá nítorí mo rí wọn lórí magazine yìí. A ti rí oríṣiríṣi àwọn ọba kábíyèsí ńláńlá, ọba onírìṣà, gbogbo wọn láti rí nínú magazine. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn yìí náà lẹ ti ṣe interview fún, tẹ́ ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀?
Ṣe Ọlọ́run fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn kan. Ẹ̀bùn yẹn ni pé tá bá ti lọ bá wọn pé a fẹ́ kí àwọn akíwà padà. Àwọn olè ń ṣe tí wọ́n rí àgbàfẹ́. Iléeṣẹ́ wa dẹ̀ ní iléeṣẹ́ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn àgbààgbà ni. Iléeṣẹ́ wa dẹ̀ ní à ń promote culture wa. So ní gbogbo wọn bá lọ́ba ẹ̀ wọ́n ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe nìyẹn. So gbogbo wọn dẹ̀ fẹ́ ká máa wà pẹ̀lú wọn, ká máa gbé irú, ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìlú. Ní last time tá wà Naija, a lọ fún Lísàbí. Adẹ̀rí gbogbo wọn bá ní October sí by the grace of God I'm a ṣe Olúmọdé so by the grace of God àtúmọ̀ wà ń bẹ ní Ọ̀yọ́ àtúmọ̀ bá wọn ṣe ti lé so à ń bá wọn ṣe gbogbo ìlú yẹn kiri so that kí wọ́n lè pe àwọn akọ̀ jókòó síbí ọmọ kọ́ wà níbi tí wọ́n mọ nípa culture wa so we now sit down and put what happened down wọ́n wá kà wọ́n wá mọ̀ pé àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ṣe mọ̀ pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà táwọn wà kékeré one of the best festivals I like ní Ẹ̀yọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ̀ kí bàtà yẹ wá da yẹ ọ̀làjú àwọn kan fẹ́ máa dàrú bọ̀ tàdúpẹ́ náà gómìnà sí tó àbẹ̀ wọ́n tún sí dá púpọ̀ àpàdà ṣé kò yẹ so we have so many cultures in Nigeria and in Africa entirely but because I can follow one so when they decided we want to follow them come about that's the reason why máa rí wa pẹ̀lú àwọn ọba tó à ń polówó iṣẹ́ àdẹ̀gbé Nàìjíríà lárugẹ ṣé wọ́n pé àwọn olówó láti fún Nàìjíríà tápá wà lówó ta lè fi túnà Nàìjíríà ṣe nàbà lọ fi túnṣe àdúrà nìkan la lè fi gbà pọ̀ túnà yẹn dá pọ̀ iṣẹ́ kíkì ta lè ṣe tó lè gbé orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn ga pọ̀ náà ṣe.
èṣe púpọ̀ Yorùbá tiẹ̀ bọ̀ wọ́n ní ọmọ tó bá sọ lẹ́nu ó sọ àpò ìyà báyìí ó so kọ́ Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àsọ lẹ́nu ibi tó ti bí wa ni kò sí bá a ṣe fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n ní àjò lè dùdùdù kó dàbí ilé àjò lè dùn kó nílé má relé gbogbo àtàwà bí ìyá wa táwa náà bá wò lọ sà táwa wò lọ sọ́ọ̀tún táwa wò lọ sósì a rí i pé kò síbi tó dàbí ilé àṣeṣì ń jàmàlà àṣeṣì ń jẹ̀bà ilé tá a máa kéwé jẹ ilé ẹni ní ilé ẹni torí náà Gbẹ̀du magazine ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa ọ̀rọ̀ àṣà ìbílẹ̀ wa tí ò ní parun títí ayé ok bá a ṣe wà sí a máa ń ṣalágàdúrà ṣalágàjókòó gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe là ṣe tún ṣe bí nítorí pé a rí rírì nǹkan tó wà nínú àṣà ìbílẹ̀ wa nítorí náà àṣà wa ò ní parun títí láyé bó tẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọba Ọọ̀ni tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ sí kábíyèsí o tí mo fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ dárúkọ wọ́n promote pé ká máa bá àwọn ọmọ wa sọ èdè ìlú wa ká gbọ́ èdè wa dáadáa gbogbo ẹ̀ náà la máa ṣe lórí iléeṣẹ́ wa bíbí nǹkan tẹ̀yìn náà ṣe a máa jọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ láti jọ ṣe kó dáa ni Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa fún yín ṣe bàbá mi. So lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí launching of the magazine is on the 19th of May at Crown Venture Dulik. So please, we are all inviting you. No Boring Junction. King Anjola Bravo will be on live band. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ní tí Bravo bá ti wà ń bẹ̀ ó ní ó máa ta lẹ́nu ni ó máa ṣá prápra ó dẹ̀ máa loud gan. DJJ wà ní ọgbẹ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ jó lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ́ tẹ́ fẹ́ jó oríṣiríṣi orin kò séwé kò sé gbogbo ẹ̀lú máa wà níbẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run a máa retí yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí I just want to say thank you so much for coming to Legacy TV.
kátó randọ̀bọ̀ eléré yẹn atúniléré hip hop kan náà tó ń bọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ rẹ̀ ní Starboy náà ń bọ̀ náà fẹ́ join pé
ìyẹn náà dáa
pé kó bá dàbí pé
Starboy ṣé nílùú bí àbí ní Island náà Starboy ọmọ ológo ló ti mọ Starboy ọ̀nà máa wà bẹ́ẹ̀ a sì máa tún kàn sáwọn èèyàn míì gbogbo wa jọ ń ṣépọ̀ náà ní gbogbo àwọn tó bá fẹ́ gbárùkù tì wá ẹ lè kàn sí MC Lovely ìrọ̀rùn ló bá dé ẹ bá ti kàn sí wa tẹ́ kàn sí Anjola Bravo tẹ́ kàn sí MCID Noble tẹ́ kàn sí Heritage tẹ́ kàn sí Crown Venture bàbá nìyẹn Adéẹ̀yọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ìrọ̀rùn ni àyè ṣì wà wọ́n ní òrùn tó wà lókè yìí ó sì tó ṣàṣọgbẹ àyè ṣì wà fún wa láti ṣe before the 19th gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá rò pé a lè ṣe tí ọjọ́ yẹn tá fi dùn tá lárinrin gbogbo ẹ̀ ní kí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbárùkù tira wa ká jọ ṣe ẹ ṣe púpọ̀. Just before we round up the program, you need to make maybe a shout out to anybody and we round up the program for today.
Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ from iléeṣẹ́ Legacy TV tẹ́ gbà wá láàyè tẹ́ fún wa ní ìjókòó tá a jókòó tẹ́lẹ̀ tún ní ká sọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ torí tẹ́ bá ní ká má sọ̀rọ̀ sí kò sí nǹkan tá a lè ṣe àlè sọ̀rọ̀ mo tẹ́ fún wa láàyè láti sọ̀rọ̀ adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìtẹ́ fún wa láàyè o àtúndúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Heritage bàbá wa Heritage náà fún agbára tó fún wa láti fi jáyé ní Island ní Dublin níbí àtúndúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ èèyàn náà pé òun náà ó gbà wá láàyè ó gbà wá lálejò náà àti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Bùnmi náà pé àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ká má dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀yá wa o nígbà yẹn lọ́mọ nípa àníra ìgbé wa nìyẹn àwa fi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìyàwó mi náà tó fún mi ní ààyè tí ó sọ pé nǹkan mi ni mo fẹ́ wá ṣe ní Dublin tó yá pé àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ náà lọ fún wa fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ náà dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìyá àdúrà fún ohun ribiribi tó ń ṣe nínú ayé wa tó ń ṣe nínú ayé mi àti tó ń ṣe ní ayé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó sára lè wọn pé wọ́n ṣe gan-an Ọlọ́run fún ọ lẹ́mìí gígùn ọ̀wọ̀n wọn á dẹ̀ máa rọ sókè o. But for all the people that are following us in the magazine, you can follow us on the Big Belly Magazine. We have a website. Our website is www.bellymagazine.com. Our email address is bedu@bellymagazine.com, like bedu@bellymagazine.com. Yeah. Or you can follow us at gmail@bellymagazine.com. And then, if you cannot get our copy anywhere you've been around the world, we do e-magazines too. You can download our e-magazines, only £1.
Yeah.
You could download that one anywhere you be in the world. Go to our website, you see everything we do there. And we do, if you cannot do all this, so you cannot buy, you cannot download, and you want to be following us, just follow us on our website, download. You got our stories every hour because we do very fascinating blogging every day. And thank you very much for following me, and thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. Well, it's been a lovely one today here at Legacy TV on MC Lovely Show, your host on MC Lovely Show. Well, I've had a great time with my guest today. Thank you so much, Mr. Odedeyi, for coming on this show today, and we hope to see you soon again. I think after the launching, we would like you to come and give your experience about the launching, and just discuss and engage you for another session of interview, and I'll be looking forward to that. And our regards to your lovely wife when you get back. And people, we are still here. Don't go away, keep watching. Please like us on Facebook, Legacy TV Dublin. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram. We are there for you, Legacy TV Dublin. And we hope to see you very, very soon again. Thank you. Bye-bye.